back to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we bring you inside the world's most breathtaking luxury homes. Today, we're excited to showcase a truly stunning modern residence that perfectly blends elegant design, comfort, and timeless sophistication. As the drone rises into the daytime sky, the full beauty of this home comes into view. Finished in a refined cream and gray color palette, the exterior immediately feels calm, upscale, and contemporary. Clean architectural lines, large glass panels, and carefully landscaped surroundings give this property the presence of a private luxury retreat. From above, the balance between structure and nature is clear, creating a home that feels both impressive and peaceful. Approaching the entrance, you'll notice how thoughtfully this home has been designed. Just near the front, a quiet prayer area offers a moment of calm before stepping inside. Soft natural light, neutral tones, and a simple layout create a serene space for reflection, setting the tone for the rest of the house. The main entrance is bold yet welcoming, featuring tall doors, glass details, and subtle lighting that enhances the cream and gray theme. Stepping inside, you're greeted by a spacious living lounge filled with natural light pouring in through large windows. The modern furniture, soft textures, and neutral colors create an atmosphere that feels both luxurious and inviting. This is a space designed for comfort, conversation, and everyday elegance. Flowing seamlessly from the living area is the TV lounge, where entertainment meets style. A large wall-mounted television, cozy seating, and soft ambient lighting make this the perfect spot for movie nights or relaxing evenings with family. Every detail here reflects modern luxury without feeling overwhelming. Moving further into the home, we arrive at the heart of the house, the kitchen. This beautifully designed space features a large island counter, premium appliances, and sleek cabinetry in cream and gray finishes. Whether you love cooking or entertaining guests, this kitchen offers both functionality and visual appeal. Adjacent to the kitchen is the dining area, where a stylish dining table and warm lighting create an ideal setting for memorable meals and gatherings. The attention to detail continues into the garage, which feels more like a luxury showroom than a storage space. With polished floors, clean lines, and ample room for high-end vehicles, it perfectly complements the rest of the home's upscale design. As we head toward the private areas of the house, the master bedroom stands out as a true sanctuary. Spacious and beautifully styled, this room features a calming cream and gray theme, soft lighting, and large windows that bring in natural light. It's a space designed for rest, privacy, and total relaxation. The attached luxury bathroom enhances this experience with high-end fixtures, a glass shower, elegant finishes, and a spa-like atmosphere that feels indulgent yet soothing. For those who prioritize health and wellness, the home includes a fully equipped private gym. Modern exercise equipment, mirrored walls, and an open layout make it easy to maintain an active lifestyle without ever leaving the house. Stepping outside, we find one of the most charming features of this property, the outdoor swing area. Surrounded by greenery and designed for comfort, this space is perfect for enjoying a quiet morning coffee or unwinding in the evening. It beautifully connects the indoor luxury with the calm of the outdoors. This home is a perfect example of modern luxury done right, elegant without excess, stylish yet comfortable, and designed to support a premium lifestyle. Every space flows naturally into the next, creating a home that feels cohesive, welcoming, and truly special. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to subscribe to American Dream Mansions, like the video, and share it with anyone who loves luxury homes as much as you do. Let us know in the comments which part of this home impressed you the most, and we'll see you soon with another incredible property tour.